Want to know how to send money in Remitly? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Remitly application. So make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in or sign up to Remitly, so make sure to watch it. So once you have signed in or signed up, you should be able to work and send money. So in order to send money here, you can just simply select your country right here from just simply select this drop down box. So once you're selecting the drop down box here, you can see various countries and available countries you can send your money for. So you can just simply search for it as well right here. And now you can choose your country to send money to. So you can see various countries you can choose from, and you can just simply choose any one of these. So I'll just choose any country right here. So once you have selected your countries, just simply select next. And now you can just simply select send it to yourself and send business. So you can just simply create an account right here. Just simply select create account. And once that is done here on send money, you should be welcome to with this loading screen right here. And now here you should be seeing exchange rate. Just simply select send money again. And now how much I'll send. So if I send $200, they would be receiving 228,000. So you can see delivery method, that is mobile money, bank deposit, and much more. You can just simply select any one of these right here. Select e-seva quality and much more, and your payment method as well. So debit card or credit card. So this is super simple. So you can just simply select continue after this is done, and now you can just simply fill in your credentials, verify it, add your recipient name, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.